Leave it go. Hi, this is Kathleen at Prairie Farm, and it's day 3 of Vlogmas. Welcome. This vlog will be a short one. I'm tired today with my second treatment for chemo, and my chemo treatments are 6.5 hours long, and so I'm just a little poop, but I have to share what wonderful gifts in the Advents are. So I will have those opened up and I will show those. I have a small clip this morning when we were getting ready to go. My cat Bob, who is right here, enjoying a little, I'm not doing very good getting a picture of him in my, enjoying a little nap right there. Anyway, uh, Bob somehow found a mouse in the house. I don't know where it came from. And I thought he did because during the night I could hear him in our room just moving around. And normally he just sleeps on the bed with me. But not last night. He was just, I could hear noises. So anyway, but I was so tired I didn't get up and investigate. I just kept sleeping. So anyway, we're sitting there having coffee, getting awake to go, and Bob comes out in the living room with a mouse. By the time I picked up the camera, the mouse had already ran underneath my humidifier, and it wasn't coming out. So I got the humidifier and moved it, and come to find out, the mouse ran into the humidifier, and it was hidden in a little. I got a video of that hidden. So, um, disclaimer, no mouse was harmed. Well, he might have been harmed, but he wasn't killed. In the video, I took him and threw him outside, and poor Bob was just frustrated for the rest of the morning that I was home. Poor Bob. He lived, and the mouse lived, so that was good. I did do a little knitting during my treatment, but they give me Benadryl, and Benadryl puts me to sleep. So I slept a few hours while I was there. And then when I got home, I basically just crashed on the couch. I haven't really done anything, but I needed to say something. There's my pretty tree in the background. Um, I'll open up the Advents, and that's about it for today. Um, Tomorrow will be better. I'll be rested, and I'll have hopefully something to show more. I don't know what yet. I had thought of stuff when I was doing chemo, but the drugs are hitting me now. So anyway, I'll just say good night, and I will see you tomorrow. There it is. Okay, somebody needs to open the door for me.
Get the door, Bob.
We can
You started all this.
throw the thing outside.
You're gonna piss Bob off. No, Bob.
He can go outside.
No,
Let him
he
go
needs to
outside and
stay.
get it.
Go on.
There's Bob's mouse away. Bob. Where'd he go?